Hans here, Harbor Freight Mini Mill project. I'm getting the table for my mini mill set up to recut the dovetails, and I've had to decide what am I going to indicate in on the table. So I took my micrometer and I measured here, and I measured down on this end, and it is parallel. So I'm using that as my reference edge. So now I have the indicator set up and I traverse across. I make very light taps, and then I'm at 1/1000th right now on the reading, and it's not moving right now. I'm doing pretty good. I know this has required some tapping, very light tapping with my hammer there, and boy, I have got it here. It almost has not moved on the indicator. So I'm going to snug up the nuts on my clamps and just double check it one last time. The smallest movement can throw you off by 1/1000th or 1/2 of a thousandth. This is very delicate work. That's all for now.